ladies. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, one of my honeys, what's her name? Bunny. By the name of Bunny, she sent me this mask with my name on it, MzBrazell. And she sent me this nose guard thingamajig that goes under the mask. So I'm going to put it on. It has little brackets on it. I guess that's for the pleated mask. And this will tuck into the pleats. But this mask here doesn't have any pleats. So I'm just going to put this on. And we're going to see how well it feels and how well it protects this from getting makeup on it. And it came with little beads, so I can adjust the tightness of the thing that goes over my ears. So I'll put this on. And I recently found these on Amazon. So I ordered some because I had no idea these existed. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna see. I'm holding it in place. Okay. This this nose guard, it keeps the mask from being flat up on my face and smashing my nose even more than it is. It's much more comfortable with this nose guard than without it. And Walter getting ready to hit the streets. So I'm going to see how much makeup is on this. It should make all the inside of mask black. Okay, just got a little bit where it touched my chin. No lipstick. And it feels fine. Okay. We'll keep it on and we're getting ready to hit the streets. You ready, Walter?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, that's what I want to show y'all. And I will leave the link to these nose guards in my description box. They're very reasonable. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. It's comfortable. Okay. Oh, I got a remote. Let me turn this off. Bye.